guys, I wanted to show you guys I did me some individual lashes on myself. I did my practicing, and I didn't make them too full yet because you guys know I'm still in training. But I did pretty good. And if you guys see, none on here too. So I tried to do more classic natural look because I was afraid if it didn't turn out right, then I was going to be looking weird. So yeah, guys, and then I'm using this glue. I'm not using that extra glue, and this glue is for sensitive eyes, so this one don't burn or anything. So that's why I was able to do it myself. So see, when I close my eyes, see, close my eyes over here. So guys, I'm liking it. So I just need more of the declash, and yes, so far so good. Okay, guys, I think I got enough volume for today, and guys, every time when it comes to going live, I'm not gonna lie, I get really intimidated because you never know if you're gonna make a mistake. Every time that camera go to rolling, it's like lights, camera, action, and you never know what will happen. So guys, I'm gonna do this eye off, but I just want to show you guys the volume that I have, and when I get more comfortable later, maybe, but I don't know. So I'm gonna show you the lashes that I'm using, guys. So I'm using the D curl, the D6, guys, and what I'm doing is I'm taking the D6. If you guys notice, it's longer out on this end, then it gets shorter, and then I'm using the CM and closing it off. But and then I'm using this glue. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to go live, guys. I'm just nervous. I need to focus, and especially just dealing with my eyes. So I'll show you guys a picture of the finishing results. Alrighty, guys. The thing is, when we're doing this, we don't know if we're out of focus or not, guys. So we won't know until we look back at the camera. So we don't know. And I'm placing them on my natural lash line, and I can see it with this. My mirror magnifies 3 times. So the only thing is the glue be drying very quickly. So it is I am kind of nervous, guys. So I will just come back with you guys with the finishing, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm very nervous because it's dealing with your eyes. So and I'm not using the extreme glue, guys, because there's no way with that glue you can do it and be able to have your eyes open without it burning. I'm using the glue for sensitive eyes because I have very sensitive eyes. So that's another thing that's working for me while I'm able to do this. I'm using this glue. I'm not using the eyelash extension glue because that burns. So that's the difference too. How I'm able to do this with my eyes open. So that's how. All right, guys. I'll come back with you later. Okay, guys. So I actually finished them. And I didn't go way too dramatic because this is my very first time, guys. And you guys know I'm still in training, so I didn't want to go overboard and wind up putting something on and then trying to get it off. It'd be real extreme. But I did longer length on the corners, and then I went medium, and then kind of small in the corners. But I didn't go too dramatic because I wanted to make sure first and foremost that I like it, because a lot of times you don't want to go and do something. So I'm not going to curl them or anything like that. I'm not going to do any more tugging and pulling because I want to make sure, for one, that they're totally dry. So tomorrow will be when I totally like make sure whatever. So this is what they look like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. This is your girl A. Marie coming back at you guys. And guys, today, if you guys know, last night I was working on my individual lashes, guys. And today I put on the makeup and kind of show you. I kind of went with the cat eye look where they go small, then get a little bigger than that. I didn't do a lot of volume, guys, because this is my first time, and I was actually honestly real nervous of not getting it right, then have a heck of a time trying to get it off. So I went low profile, but I gave me some volume in the cat eyes, guys. So I think it turned out very, very, very lovely, very beautiful, guys. And because I didn't do a lot of volume, I want to wait until I get better. And guys, I'm using this Envy Ultra Hold Eyelash Glue for sensitive eyes, because I have very sensitive eyes. So I'm not using an actual lash extension glue as of yet. You know, I didn't want to try that, you know, for myself, and you know, my first time out. So down the line, you know, maybe, but then I do have to be careful because I got a severe chronic dry eyes as well. So my eyes, instant anything get to it, they can turn it brown with my allergies and stuff. So guys, I want to show you guys the finishing look. So yes, guys, keep training, and you guys can become eyelash extension techs, get that certification. And guys, I want to show you guys a hack. You know how you putting on your eyeshadow and always your eyeshadow falls down into your makeup, guy? This is a little hack that I come up with. I take the popsicle stick and I hold it here and I blend the gold, and then I take the popsicle stick here and I blend the other color, because I hate for the eyeshadow to fall down in my lashes, guys. I hate that. So yes, I went with the cat look, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching. And sorry I couldn't go live, guys. I was very nervous. So this is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much. And I use a C and D curl, guys. C and D. And then I use the more volume on the end. My little, these ones. Well, I showed y'all in the other video. You know, and then I use the mink to fill it in. So that's how I got like the cat eye look. I did these for the volume on the end. And then, guys, I did the mink and filled it in. So I used a D curl with a 13 millimeter 6D. And then I used a C curl with a 10 millimeter. So that's how I achieved this cat eye look, guys. And I didn't go real heavy. I just kind of went light. So very cute for me, guys. You guys have an awesome day and make awesome eyelashes. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the lashes. That's the cat eye look, guys. So overall, I think I did a pretty good job for my first time ever attempting the individual eyelashes with the mink eyelashes, as well as with the mink high volume ones. So I just tried to keep it basic, simple, not too much volume, because I didn't know how it was going to turn out. And like I said, guys, I was nervous trying to record this for you guys. So maybe the next run I will be able to. But I have fabulous sisters that love me and support me. They're going to let me do eyelashes on them, so I will record that for you guys. Have an awesome day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Just wanted to give you guys different looks, different angles, and this is with me looking down, no makeup on, but just showing you guys. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye.